Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a Halloween skull, but it's made out of like liquid, like slime. I think it's gonna be really cool, and I hope you enjoy it. This is step by step for beginners. Okay, if you want a little bit of like Halloween spirit, like that Halloween vibe every day of Halloween, click the subscribe and click the bell notification because that's gonna let you know when I post. Don't forget to hit the like if you like Halloween, really, you know? All right, I'm gonna be using this Krilla brand marker. Let's kind of get into it, all right? Okay, so let's go over here, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw kind of an oblong shape right here, almost like a peanut shape for one of the eye sockets. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna make it about the same. I might change it a little bit because this is liquidy, so I might make it wobbly a little bit more, you know? Okay. All right, let's move over here, and I'm gonna start with the top of the nose cavity, and that is going to go down to the left, down here. It's got like a drippiness to it, and then maybe this side will be more normal. There's not a lot of like symmetry, right, going on when it's like liquidy. So I'm gonna really try to emphasize the non-liquidiness of this, I get, or I'm sorry, the non-symmetry of the skull. So what I can do now, I guess we can do it later and now, is I can fill this shape in here with dark. All right, we filled that in. And now we're gonna do the outside, right? So we're trying to make it drippy, right? So I'm gonna go over here, maybe mark my top, where my top of my skull is gonna be. And I'm gonna go over here and already kind of make a little kind of slimy, you know, like there's like thick liquid or something. See, for example, right there. And I'm gonna, after that, continue the line, right? Over here, drippy. Go down, drippy again, right? And so that's kind of what we're after, right? We are trying to make it look slimy. And a lot of that is also, again, in that asymmetry stuff going on. We could throw a line over here on the inside. We'll do that in a second here, though. But right now we're going to go over to the here. That simulates the cheekbone. Going over here on this side, maybe we make two little drippiness. Kind of, again, the asymmetry. We're trying to not make it too symmetrical. So this is like the normally would be the cheekbones. Ready? Let me know what you guys are gonna dress like for Halloween. I'm gonna dress like, I don't know what I'm gonna dress like, honestly. I tried on my outfit. I was gonna do Marty McFly from Back to the Future, but I thought it looked terrible, so I'm not gonna do that. Line over here. So now I have to come up with a last minute outfit. Going over here, make maybe one goes a little bit long here, like droplet here. Go over here as well. Over here. Line over here. Circle. Circle. You know, it's kind of simulated teeth, essentially. That's kind of what we're trying to kind of get across. And I'm going to fill this in. All right. Cool, cool, cool. We're not over yet, though. We are going to throw another little, like drip right there. We're going to the surface now and looking at this. Okay, so like what can we do? Where would it be? You know, like try to make it not too symmetrical, but symmetrical-ish, right? Go over here. Line over here. line over here, and line over here. So I'm going to go over here the center as well and do that as well. Just a little bit. Don't do it too much, but I want to do it enough that there is a bit of a slime effect. I kind of want to add another like long one here too. I'm going to do that like over here, maybe just kind of randomly, to really kind of get the signal across. Maybe even one falling down there like midair, right? That could be pretty cool. Or one, and then maybe another tiny one here to really get that asymmetry across. Line over here, line over here. Now I'm going to draw a line across the top here. It's going to be a different kind of line. It's going to be more of like the brow. And let's go over here and do the brow as well. Line over here. Line over here. And then maybe a line down here. And a line down here. For kind of the bags under the eye. And we could pretty much call this done, but I am going to add a little bit more, right? You always think about little bits to add detail, and the detail makes it a little bit more believable than not. So that's pretty much kind of what we're trying to do here. Yeah, I think I'm done, honestly. You could draw a thicker line toward the bottom as well to make it look like there's more gravity going on if you draw like a thicker line around the bottom areas. Okay, cool. That's pretty much it. You can color it anything you want. That's the amazing part. That is it. Don't forget to check out. I put a free gift for you in the description. It is free Halloween drawing templates. They are 100% free. There's 100 of them. I used to sell this as a product, but now it's completely free, at least for this year. And that's it. You just download them and they're ready to print. That is the best part about it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you very soon. Yeah, this year's been amazing for me, and I want it to be amazing for you. Just keep practicing, keep drawing. Reach out to me, by the way. No one does that, by the way. You can always like say hi to me. No one reaches out. But yeah, you can always say hi and ask me a question about, my life or something. That's it. I need you to stay spooky, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? See ya.